los que es mejor no decir nada. En tiempos de lamento sobran las palabras. Ayúdame a no caer en la oscuridad. Te oí decir: tu mundo se hundió y yo contigo lloré y me desgarré. Te di mi mano, sentía su calor, pero no curaba tu corazón, hecho pedazos, corazón quebrado. Comparte tu dolor. Te apartaron de mí, recé para que volvieras. Algunos lo hicieron, otros duermen en el cielo. Tu deber es vivir, inténtalo con todas tus fuerzas. Te aferraste al amor de los que nunca te olvidaron, y el deber del Creador que te obliga a traer luz al mundo, incluso en medio de la maldad. La historia te puso una prueba otra vez, ese 7 de octubre que llegó sin avisar, como una tormenta, pero esta vez sin mojar. Sin lluvia que siembra vida, sin cielo que luego brilla, llegó y te cubrió de ceniza, te rompió el corazón. El 7 de octubre todo cambió, despertaste a una realidad que no imaginabas. Tu mundo se hundió y yo contigo lloré y me desgarré. Se paró el reloj de los abrazos compartidos, del futuro prometedor, del pacto con el perdón. Te quisieron quebrar y hoy firme te levantas de nuevo. Desatas una fuerza inmensa que ni sabías que tenías. El tiempo se detiene y el futuro se vuelve incierto. Y aunque cuando todo se apaga recuerdas lo que duele, la libertad que comprime te pone de nuevo a prueba. Heridas invisibles que el tiempo no puede curar. Ayúdame a no caer en la oscuridad. Te oí decir: sobran las palabras, comienza tu viaje hacia la esperanza renovada. Recuerda lo que duele y enciende tu luz.
Ay, no escucho nada.
Work from home is the best.
Damn, Milo.
V5.5. This is our best sounding model, but more importantly, it is our most personalized model. We built V5.5 around the idea that the music that you create should carry something of you, your voice, your sound, your taste. Because V5.5 captures so much musical nuance and timbre, it unlocks 3 brand new experiences for the most expressive Suno experience to date. Custom models, my taste, and the one that I'm most excited to talk about and you've been asking for forever, voices. That's right, you can finally make music with your own voice on Suno. Voices lets you capture your own voice and use it to sing in your Suno creations. If you're a singer, you can use your voice in your music wherever you are. No need for a recording setup or a mic or a quiet space to get a demo down. And if you don't sing, you can finally experience what it's like to use your voice in your music for the very first time. It unlocks completely new creative experiences. Let me show you how to set it up. You can upload a clean acapella if you have one, select a track from your library, or record right here in the app. You can even upload a song that has music in the background and Suno will run a stem split and isolate the vocals for you, but you're gonna need between 30 seconds and 4 minutes of audio for this to work. For this demo, I'm gonna use this large condenser mic to capture my voice. A good microphone does help, but your built-in mic on your devices should work just fine. Just make sure that you're in a quiet environment where you don't have any people talking in the background or traffic or something like that. To get started, I'm gonna sing a song that I made on Suno just because it has a really wide vocal range that is perfect for this.
You don't shout when the world gets heavy. You just stay when others walk away. That kind of quiet strength is steady. Teaches me there's more than one way. I'm learning how to carry my own weight by watching how you carry yours with grace.
All right, so on this screen, you can keep the parts where you feel like it sounds like you the most. You can use these sliders on the side to crop things down. We know that your voice is deeply personal. You've spent your entire life with your voice, and we take that incredibly seriously. So that's why we've built in a strict verification process into this feature. To make a voice, you have to read a specific prompt out loud. Suno then cross-checks your speaking voice with the singing voice you uploaded to ensure that the voice you are submitting is actually yours. We're doing this to make sure that you stay in control. Voices are private and only accessible to you, and you're the only one that can create using your voice. I just need to read this prompt to verify my identity. Sing a joyful song beneath the shining stars. And let's name this Voice 1. Once your voice is verified and saved, it gets loaded right into the create form, and then you just add your lyrics, type in your style, and hit create. A few more things on voices. You can make as many voices as you want. The audio slider will affect how much your voice comes through on the final track, so turn that up if you really want to hear your voice. And then you're going to get much better results if you sing in the same genre as your desired song. All right, let's use my voice to create a song. Got some lyrics here, I'm just gonna paste them in, and then we'll come down here to the style, and let's type in melodic deep house. Now here's another new thing with V5.5 is a personalized magic wand. I'll explain what that does in just a second, but let's click that to fill out the melodic deep house here. And let's hit create, and we'll listen. There's my voice.
The room is spinning, a blur of sound and light. 100 faces fade into the night, but there's a pull, a magnetic kind of grace, drawing my eyes directly to you. your face. It's physics, it's magic, it's something in between. The strongest force that I have ever seen. I'm falling, I'm drifting, but you keep me grounded. I'm falling, I'm drifting, but I'm finally found. You are my center of gravity, pulling me in, setting me free. Orbiting around you, lost in the space. I found my universe right in this place. Center of gravity, holding me tight, guiding me out of the endless night.
Amazing. It definitely captured my tone. It got some of the falsetto parts. It had some vibrato. Now, voices is awesome, but I did mention two other features that are powered by V5.5 that will bring a whole new level of personalization to your music, and that is custom models and My Taste. Custom models lets you upload your own music to create a special version of the model that is all about your stylistic preferences and signature sounds. You can upload your own catalog of music or your raw audio files to create a model that is based purely on your personal aesthetic. You can have up to 3 custom models at a time, but if you ever need to make space for a new one, just delete one. For this example, many of you know Henry from our Studio Fundamental series, and he was kind enough to let me use some of his original orchestral compositions to showcase custom models. All right, so to create a custom model, you're just going to click on the model selector up at the top right here, and you're going to click Create Custom Model. Now this brings up a new module here, and you can either do a bulk upload, you can browse from your uploaded songs, and now you can select individual songs through here, but let's do a bulk upload. Okay, great. We have 6 examples here. Now let's create custom model. When it says your model is cooking, we're crafting a custom model from your selected songs. It'll be ready in a few minutes. So this typically takes 2 to 5 minutes for this to be ready. So while the custom model is being made, let's listen to some of Henry's tracks. So beautiful. Let's listen to more. All right, so hopefully that gave you a good idea of the songs we're using to create this custom model. These custom models work best when you're using audio that is stylistically similar, like these orchestral tracks. You need at least 6 tracks, but you can use albums worth of audio for these custom models. Okay, and our custom model is done here, so we're going to select it. Let's type in for the style, romantic, film, modern, classic, and then we'll hit create. Beautiful, beautiful. So now to hear the difference between this custom model and what V5 would make, doing the same style, romantic film, modern classic, let's create a song and then I'll play that to give you an idea of the difference here. So it's still really good, but it definitely sounds a lot different than what we were making in the custom model. One important note on the custom models is that all of your uploads are still restricted by the same copyright protection. So you need to own the music to be able to use it to train your custom model. Now let's talk about My Taste, which is that personalized magic wand that you saw in the style description from earlier rates. And then it's building up a taste profile from your creations and your listening preferences, and then adds all of that information into your personalized magic wand in the style description. Basically, Suno is just learning to speak your music language. The more you use Suno, the more it gets your taste. My Taste is enabled by default, but you can view, edit, or disable your settings by clicking on your avatar photo and choosing My Taste from the dropdown. If you're wondering what's happening with personas, well, personas is now voices. So all of your voice and style personas are safely waiting in your Voices tab. We're launching Voices in beta, and since this is so brand new and experimental, you might get some unexpected results while we dial everything in. So to give you room to experiment, we've reduced the cost of using Voices to 4 credits per creation during the beta. All of this, V5.5, Voices, and custom models, is available right now for Pro and Premier subscribers, and My Taste is going to be available for everyone on Suno. We can't wait to hear what you make on Suno, and if you've been enjoying all of the features that Suno's been releasing recently, please leave this video some feedback. You can drop a comment on what you're looking forward to next. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.